World's largest Mac Bulldog.
You just need a really big milk bone.
Oh, he likes his ears scratched.
Boy, talk about timing. I literally just pulled up to the parking lot here at Macungie. It's hard to tell how fast this guy's going, but they do come through here pretty quick. Yeah, he's moving. Pretty long. I always forget to start counting the cars as soon as they come by. Maybe I'll remember to do that the next train comes through. I wanted trains, so I got trains. Well, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to this yet another overcast day today. I thought it was going to be sunny. It may come out later, but this morning I woke up and really didn't have much planned. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do today, and I realized that it's been a while since I've been to Macungie. I know Randy comes here quite often, along with RJ and some of the other guys, and I thought, you know what? I know this place is really busy, so I think I made out pretty good so far. I just got here. RJ is actually coming today. He's going to be meeting me here in a little bit. I texted him when I was back when I had stopped for something to eat, and as just, you know, what was he doing today. So he's going to stop by and hang out for a little bit. Off in the distance there, past the where the road crosses, I can see the signal lights there, and on the left side track I got 2 red coming this way, but the other one, the top one is green and the lower one is red. I'm not sure if that means we're going to get one going this way, coming from the opposite direction. But like I said, this particular area is quite busy with train activity. Now, I've been to this place once before. I met all the guys up at, I think it was Nick and Nikki, it was RJ, and there was a couple other folks there. There's like a flea market or something we went to not too far from here, and that was pretty cool. There was some people were selling some trains, and then there was an inside kind of flea market type thing. But we came down here after that, and it was quite we got a lot of train action. I was able to fly the drone, and you know, had a really good time. I want to say that was 2 years ago now, might have been last year, I'm not sure. But that was wintertime. There was nothing in bloom. And one of the things about this little area right here, the Macungie train watching platform, is they have this beautiful garden right here that I want to show you guys while we wait for RJ and the next train to come through. I have a little pavilion here with some park benches, picnic table, and you can sit and watch the trains come through. Just a nice little tiny park here. A beautiful fountain, and it's a really yet another quaint little Pennsylvania town. And honestly, one of the benefits to this particular train watching platform or area, whatever you want to call it, is that you could see for miles either way, north, or can't remember if this is east-west or north-south, but you can definitely see the trains coming from quite a ways away if you want to, send a drone up in the air or get your camera ready. So deceiving how fast they're really going when they're coming. He is hauling. So after RJ came by, we ran down to Wawa real quick to get some food. I was getting really hungry, and then we came back to Macungie for a little bit, and then decided to come on down to Albertus. And this is right by the Mack truck factory, and you just saw the little bulldog there. RJ wanted me to check out. Turned out to be a really nice day. All right, so we're down here at Albertus, and there's a little bit of a parking area right here. And what's cool about this spot, RJ was pointing out, is that there's a switcher right here. These two tracks right here is what goes through all the way to Macungie's down that way, and then we have a third line over there that wraps around and goes the other direction over there.
There is some industry that the local runs. I've gotten some action here where they're unloading or unhooking and coming back out.
Yeah.
Get back on the road.
So hopefully we'll see something else come through. The plane. Well, we got something coming from the left, which is cool because we can actually see.
Ding, 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 ding. Fries are done.
And he's going to be right here on this closest track too. Cool.
UP.
That's the first UP I've no, I did see one when I was out in Chambersburg. I saw one go in front of me. Oh. Now they're going through here, what, about 60?